Saturday, the 1st of November 2025. Sakshi instructs Priya to continue turning everyone against Sayali. Elsewhere, Annapurna taunts Kalpana about the traditions. Sunday, the 2nd of November 2025. Asmita damages Sayali's sari for the post-wedding rituals. Her plan goes in vain as Sayali carries out the customs. Monday, the 3rd of November 2025. Annapurna gets upset. While Priya blames Sayali and Arjun, Kalpana believes Annapurna should have been a part of the puja. Tuesday, the 4th of November 2025. At the office, Raviraj offers Arjun's position to Rakesh. Kalpana tries to convince Annapurna to accept Sayali. Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025. Rakesh gets appointed as the head of Raviraj's legal team. Annapurna blames Sayali for the family's tensions. Thursday, the 6th of November 2025. Sakshi plans her new strategy to monitor Arjun and Sayali's actions. When Sayali begs for Arjun's forgiveness, Raviraj denies her request. Friday, the 7th of November 2025. Sayali claims to be unsettled and guilty about everything that is going on. Kalpana prepares milk for Sayali and Arjun, which irks Annapurna. Saturday, the 8th of November 2025. Ashwin prepares a special surprise decoration for Arjun and Sayali in their bedroom. Arjun and Sayali feel awkward on their wedding night together. Sunday, the 9th of November 2025. The family admires Sayali when she performs an early morning puja. Kalpana assures Annapurna of Sayali's true intentions for the family. Monday, the 10th of November 2025. Arjun surprises everyone by praising Sayali's cooking skills. Annapurna invites Priya to the holy celebration. Tuesday, the 11th of November 2025. Priya plans a wicked move to destroy Sayali's food preparations but fails miserably. Annapurna is impressed by Sayali's handmade Puran Poli. Wednesday, the 12th of November 2025. Arjun confronts Annapurna about her constant invitations to Priya. Sayali relives her memories. The family plays Holi together. Thursday, the 13th of November 2025. Priya's strategy against Sayali backfires. Arjun and Sayali dance during the Holi celebrations. Friday, the 14th of November 2025. Priya tries to tell Sayali the truth about her identity, but Rakesh intervenes. Asmita tries to instigate Annapurna against Sayali. Saturday, the 15th of November 2025. Asmita tries to provoke Priya against Sayali to teach her a lesson. While Sayali is surprised to learn about Asmita's demand, Kalpana asks Annapurna to forgive Sayali. Sunday, the 16th of November 2025. A suspicious Arjun saves Sayali from Asmita's wrath. Sayali is shocked to learn that Annapurna is plotting against her. Monday, the 17th of November 2025. Arjun is determined to let Sayali continue with her job after marriage. While Annapurna turns down Arjun's request, Asmita and Priya scheme against Sayali. Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025. Priya incites Annapurna to cause issues in Sayali and Arjun's relationship. Annapurna lashes out at Sayali for betraying her family. Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. Arjun fakes his love for Sayali to trick his family into his plan. Asmita tries to instigate Annapurna to act against Sayali. Thursday, the 20th of November 2025. Annapurna and Asmita plan an evil move against Sayali to teach her a lesson. Sakshi instructs Priya to distract Arjun from her plan. Friday, the 21st of November 2025. Sayali grows suspicious of her and Arjun's romantic moment from the night. Arjun doubts Annapurna and Asmita's actions behind Sayali's unconsciousness. Saturday, the 22nd of November 2025. Arjun is skeptical about Raviraj's motive to destroy his company. Kalpana insists for Sayali to buy her jewelry for the auspicious festival. Sunday the 23rd of November 2025. Nagraj tries to convince Raviraj to delay Priya's marriage as a part of his plan against Arjun. Arjun and Sayali go on a shopping date together. Monday the 24th of November 2025. Priya swears to keep Madhubhau in jail, while Arjun assists Sayali with her sari fix. Kalpana watches them. Tuesday the 25th of November 2025. Annapurna is annoyed as Sayali is late for the puja. She presents everything on time and the Subhedars celebrate the festival with ease. Wednesday the 26th of November 2025. Raviraj finds a potential match for Priya, and Sakshi tries to trap Chaitanya on social media. Arjun ridicules Annapurna for her taunts. Thursday the 27th of November 2025. Arjun assures Madhubhau that he believes in him. Arjun and Sayali go vegetable shopping together. Friday the 28th of November 2025. Annapurna is taken aback when she sees Arjun carrying vegetable bags. Priya and Sakshi decide to teach Sayali a lesson. Saturday the 29th of November 2025. Priya devises a plan to ruin her match with Amit but fails. Sayali tries to help Arjun to console Annapurna. Sunday the 30th of November 2025. Priya and Annapurna notice Sayali without her Mangalsutra when she aids a man in distress. Arjun gets anxious as he is concerned about Sayali.